Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush and welcome to the SketchUp Artist Studio. Today we have some tutorial about modeling some different type of thing in SketchUp, and it's about aircraft parking or aircraft shed. So for this reason you must use some simple elements in SketchUp. Actually, sometimes you need to model some type of warehouses or other type of things like that, but you don't know how because maybe it's a little bit complicated. For this reason, you must know and have some focus on different type of tools in SketchUp and 3D modeling. For this reason, we have 2-point arc in here and we have extrude option in here. So I'm going to start with the align option. So I'm going to click on the align option in here and draw some type of line about, for example, something about 10 meter, and after that I can use 2-point arc and create some type of 2-point arc for it with some budget about 8 or maybe 4 or 5 is good. And sometimes you can manage these segments in here. If you want some smooth result, you can increase the segment from a 10 info and turn it to the 24, or you can change it from 24 to 12, and it depends on you. So I'm going to select 12 option in here, and I need some offset for my job, so I'm going to use offset in here, but I don't know from where. So first of all I must select my line, and the second I can click on the offset in here and draw some offset like this. So the distance of the offset, actually the main thickness of the shed related to you. For example, I want to convert it to the 20, and now I don't need this line in here, so I'm going to use push or pull option in here, and I can extrude it everything I want. But I don't want some simple thing like that because it's not really professional in the 3D modeling. So what I'm gonna do is related to clicking on that and convert to the make component in here. So this job is for the professional SketchUp users. The amateur SketchUp users actually most of the time use some simple options in SketchUp like the make group. But if you want to model professional things on it, actually you must use a SketchUp component in it. So I converted to the make component, and now I want to click on the control option here and draw some lines like the about 1, for example. And now I take some copy in the 1 meter, and I want to increase this copy, so the copy option is active, and I only want to type, for example, 10x right side bottom and press enter. So as you can see, this type of thing has been created for us. Now you can draw some different lines on it. For example, I'm going to use rectangle in here and draw some rectangle like that, for example. And the dimension is really important. For example, I want to draw some rectangle with some dimension about 22 centimeter to the 10 meter, something like that. And now I want to click on it and convert it to the component again and press create. So now I need some line in here, so I redraw my previous line, and I want to click on the rotate option in here, the midpoint selected from here, and now I want some copies in this places, so I can type my copy number, for example 5 or 6, 8 or maybe 10, and you can increase it every type of number you want, like the 12. So as you can see, this type of model has been created for us, very simple and easy, and only work you need to do related to the extruding and using push or pull options in here. So I'm going to delete this line in here. I'm going to start with the roofs and the body. So I'm going to click on the one of them and use extrude option, press Ctrl on my keyboard and increase the segment, something like this, for example, about 46, and close it. So another related to these type of covers in here, so I'm going to use them like this, very simple and easy. And if you want to work more on the details, you can click on them, use the offset option, and create some type of offsets like that, and push them back to the back side or the outside. I prefer to use it to the outside, so I'm going to type 10 for it, something like that, as you can see. And now you can do some other options on it. For example, you can click on one of them, select these line in here, use the offset option about 10 centimeter, and change it back to the back side, something like that. For example, 20 centimeter, and some type of jobs like this. So I'm going to delete this personage in here, as you can see. So we create these type of models in SketchUp, very simple and easy, only with using components. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. And below this video, please comment your opinion about SketchUp, complicated 3D modeling, how you use some plugins or SketchUp options, and your interests about this software. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe us, and goodbye.